this one, step to close. But some people, other people, leave their garbage in that way. That is not good. Yes, not good. This one is, I think this is carton. Somebody come to get. I mean that kind of garbage, our garbage. Not good. I think in your country is not that way. Only here. Oh, also this one, Alor. Oh. You see? You see? This one is, that is a garbage. Why delete? You see? And you know this one? This is for the dresses. If you have dresses, shoes, all that design that you don't need anymore, you throw in this. This is, you throw here. You live here. Wait, I cannot arrive. You see? You see? You see? You put there. Yeah. But this one, this is a garbage. That one, that is a garbage. Not belong to that one. That garbage belong to there. But why they live here? That is in my town. Alor is doing like that. Not good. No, this is my bus. Sure. Mag-in ako. Ciao, Bella. Ciao, Bella. Bella, ciao, Bella, Iron. Ciao, Bella daw. Ciao, Bella. Okay, ate. Kaya ngabot naman ko. Tuwa dito na pambayo. Tuwa, ito yung pharmacy. 15 degree alor. You see that pharmacy? It's written 15 degrees. In the country of Alor, +1. We have a 14 degrees difference, Alor. We have 14 degrees difference. There is 15, you see? But yesterday was cold. Very nice weather. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later for the screencast. So that I can view your channel. And then I have to subscribe your channel. Bye-bye, ate. Gutom na. Ciao, my friend. Ciao, Alor. Thank you. Later. Bye. Thank you, thank you.